Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to send friend request on Facebook Lite. So first of all, launch Facebook Lite app. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then you can simply tap on the friends icon at the top of your page. Then you can simply tap on the option of add friend in order to send friend request, or you can simply go to the search bar and then you can simply search for a person's name. Once you do so, you can simply tap on the profile and then on that specific person's profile, you'll see the option of add friend. If you tap on it, you will successfully be able to send friend request on Facebook Lite. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.